Hey guys, welcome back to Chico's Garage, and in today's video we're going to be doing a video on how to detail your car like a pro and make it look like you just picked it up from the dealer. Okay, first step to detailing your car is washing it. So you want to get out your garden hose or pressure washer if you have one and just wet down your entire car.
Okay, so step 2 is you're going to have one bucket with soap and water, one with just clean water, and you get a nice wash mitt. You're going to dunk into the soap water, just try and get lots of like suds on there. You're gonna come onto the panel. Usually you want to start at the top and work your way down because it's gonna be dirtiest near the bottom. Just like move it around. You can use the back of your hand just so you're not scratching with the dirt that you're pulling off. Once you do like panel or half panel, come back to the clean water. Just let all that dirt drop into that bucket, and then get more soap and proceed with that method for the rest of the car. Okay, once you've done the double bucket method, wash your whole car and then rinse it again just to get all that soap off. Then you're gonna move on to the wheels. So we have wheel cleaner here. It's just kind of a harsher solvent just to knock all that brake dust off and stuff. So you're just gonna come in here, just get that whole rim soaked in the cleaner. And you're gonna let it sit for a minute or two, then you'll scrub it, and then you'll rinse it with the hose again. Okay, next step is you're gonna get a dry microfiber, and you're gonna dry the whole car, once again, top to bottom, because if you just let it air dry, you can get water spots, and that just defeats the whole purpose of the whole process. Okay, next we're gonna do the tire shine. So first use rubber cleaner, because that just pulls all the impurities out of the rubber, so that there's no grime left in there, so you can get a nice shine. So you're just gonna wet the little sponge and just clean it off. Once your rubber is dry, then just get another clean microfiber and whatever tire shine you're gonna use, and just give the microfiber a nice douse in that tire shine, and then just come in and just get that tire with that tire shine. And you're good. Okay, last thing for the exterior, once you've dried everything all done, is just to clean up the glass. So we use invisible glass, it works really well. Just douse the window down to this stuff, then come in with your microfiber again. Kind of come over it, flip it.
See-through as Queen Elizabeth's ring.
The last step in detailing a car, this is a Chico's Garage trade secret. You're going to need WD-40, some type of all-purpose cleaner, a rough sponge pad, and a rag that you do not care about. First thing you're going to want to do is spray the WD-40 all around the exhaust tip, and then take your little sponge pad thingy and just scrub to get all that dirt and whatever salt off of there, and do the, if you have a silver tips, you want to do the inside to make it look nice and shiny, but because Jonah has a black tip, it doesn't really make a difference. So then once you've got it scrubbed and all that dirt is nice and loose, you're going to want to take your all-purpose cleaner. We're using Spray 9. Hit us up for a sponsorship. We're going to spray that down and then just wipe off that excess grime. Make it look nice and good. And then...
And now, she is so shiny.
Yep.
Look at that.
Off to the races. Well, thanks for watching this video of Chico's Garage. We'll see you.